I look like a my bun that you know.
But none bigger than none do we?
What you just call me a while ago?
Ooh, your touch and your kisses make everything feel right. Ooh, yeah. I love when you wake up, no makeup, it feels like top down on a summer day.
What's up, ID gang? You know it's your girl Dolly, and I'm back with another epic prank on your boy Image. Yeah, before me get into anything, I'm gonna show you the time. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. So me and Image just did a play 2 card game. Cause we're bored and so we gonna play 2 game. And I feel hungry, so I decide say I'm gonna prank him in the night, in the morning, yeah. You understand? So I'm in the kitchen, I smell him fry something, it smell good, but I don't know what. So I just decide to make a prank him. So as you can see in the title down below, I'm gonna be calling Image another man's name. I no problem I say doing her. You know me, I find one name or I can call him. Dedrick, one of them name there, one of them man name there. Yeah, like when he might give me the food or something. You know, I'm gonna bring it up somewhere somehow, I'm gonna make it slip. I know I'm gonna be bad. So here me ask you if you do, on the spam up the comment section with Team Dolly, cause I know I always come back with some epic prank by Image. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share. Me ask you for 6,000 thumbs up on this video, guys. When I so late me up, I'ma decide for do prank for you that for sure how much my love you and appreciate you. Yeah, so I don't know the Image I go on by the night, yeah. Him could lay wake up the neighbor them to him go and come in and ask, you know. Him hear me call other man name, a problem. So I'm gonna set up the camera and everything, hide it off, do what I do, and I just go wait for him come in. You understand? I'm going to call him, I'm not sure yet, but I go figure it out. So I just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just set up the camera, hide it off and everything. Everything is in place now, so I wait for an Image for forward you now, because I'm really hungry for true. In after 1 year, I'm hungry, I'm raw you know, so I wait, so. I don't know, the Image I gotta go on body. Me calling the next man's name. OMG, he's gonna, yeah, I'm gonna flip. I'm gonna say I'm gonna flip. This call for your dance. I'm gonna dance, so now. This call for your dance. It call for your dance. It call for... Yes, so. I'm gonna stay tuned and see what will take place, you know.
A few moments later.
Hello. So where juice there?
Oh, got it.
And this smells so good.
I feel me here.
Okay guys, so you just bring this, go and give me and prepare pranks with crackers and bun and cheese on the side. So I don't know, mega enjoy this and no Image I could go on bad. So now stay tuned for the Image reaction.
One cup of juice, you know?
Nothing wrong, we can share it.
I look like a my bun that you know.
But none bigger than none do we?
What you just call me a while ago?
My Christmas just call you.
What you just say a while ago?
A Christmas just call you, where you be, I want you.
You called me Chris a while ago. China, which man the on my mind?
Which man for the on my mind? You alone the on my mind.
Only and doing.
Yeah. A Christmas just call you.
Yo, you called me Chris a while ago. Me look like me an idiot. Only and doing.
Me. Just easy the man after hours, you know. A Christmas just call you. Why me that call you doing?
Shana, you no call me no Chris a while ago. Look like me a fucking idiot to you, man.
Yeah, because by then it was a night for Chris. It was a morning, you say.
Only and doing. Who name Dwayne?
You have a pic for me tonight, eh?
Me look like me an idiot to you.
What's wrong with you?
Me look like me an idiot. Who name Dwayne? That me want know.
Chris, where you hear me say a while ago?
I Dwayne me you call me a while ago.
Me say Chris, but none of your no bigger than none.
Me an idiot, my youth. I Dwayne me you call me a while ago. Dwayne.
Oh, you wicked and nice, my youth.
Me look like me an idiot. Me an idiot, my youth. As me say, yo, and my bun that you eat. You talk about Dwayne. Who name so?
Me don't know nobody named Dwayne. That's a number one. Second, I call you by your name. I don't like when people tell lie for me, yo.
You don't call me by no name a while ago, Daddy.
I say it's your rightful name. I call you by a while ago.
No, I'm not even bother want to know that, you know. Come on, no, a wish man upon your head, so. As me come in and give something I go talk about. None no bigger than none. You think me an idiot you go call me Dwayne? Who name Dwayne? And that more know. Who name Dwayne?
Chris, you ever see me a text somebody on my phone named Dwayne? You always can take my phone and look in there. You ever mention the Dwayne none tall to nobody at all? I don't even know anybody named Dwayne. What you talk about?
So why that come out of your mouth if you don't know nobody name so?
But how did that come out of my mouth and you put things in my mouth?
You tell me say you're hungry youth. I'm left. I'm going around the kitchen. I'm going to look after this affair. And now I'm coming on here and different man name and call me like, oh, why are you doing here and talk on the phone or something?
Chris, if me and somebody that talk on the phone, you see my phone there, you can't look in there.
Why are you doing up on the phone?
Looking at my phone now? Who am I for you talk?
So if you ain't talk to nobody, how that does fly to your mouth? Who name Dwayne?
I don't know nobody name so Chris. You need to just calm down because after one now. You have to wake up the people them next door. Them something that look good.
Me responsible about nobody. And me appearing for inner say no me and you know. Me not responsible about nobody you know. More yo, hear me say me not responsible about that. More know who name so.
I already explained to you already, Chris. I don't know nobody named Dwayne. I tell you that already.
See, you don't call me Dwayne a while ago.
Just calm down and listen to me.
You don't call me Dwayne a while ago.
Chris, lower your voice, please. After
What you got from me and no man?
you are going so far?
You don't call me Dwayne a while ago.
You just tell me not calling a Dwayne? Why you tell all I name them me that choose Dwayne? I don't know nobody name so.
So me a idiot, me a ear doubles. Me a fool.
But you look like your ear doubles.
Watch it come here. Me not
And
even
you are
sleep.
here. Where you go?
Me not even sleep. Me not sleep in here, my friend.
Yeah, so where you go sleep?
Me sleep around my son around someone. Like a thing man a idiot.
But, Chris, come here.
Come call man name like a thing man a idiot.
Come here, Nabi.
More know who name Dwayne. Who name Dwayne. That more know who name Dwayne.
I don't know nobody name so Chris. Where you be so far?
Nobody no name Dwayne my youth.
What you do?
So what you call the name for?
So where you going so far?
You know see you gonna make me have things?
Chris, easy yourself. Behave, you go wake up the people them. Stop being
No tell me about no people, you know. Me no want to hear about nobody. Me want to know who name Dwayne.
I don't know nobody name so be. Why more than I tell a lie? You know some not tell a lie. You know that.
Nobody no name Dwayne.
People name Dwayne but I don't know any.
Yo, me tell you something, I want to put me on you in my youth.
But by right you're not supposed to do that. And you never put your hand on me yet, so why you would want to start now? I tell you something, I don't know nobody.
So where you call, yo, who name Dwayne, Daddy?
I don't know nobody name
so. Oh, me give you something I go tell me about.
Chris, I can't just like eat in peace and just enjoy the
yo, me not idiot in my youth, me not idiot in man.
Be, just make it eat.
Yo, leg off from me, man.
Stop now. Just make it eat and enjoy.
Me no want none, me no want none. Me no want none. All me want know who the fuck is doing.
Look at your eye them red.
Union doing.
Where you behave so far?
Union doing youth.
Stop. No, me don't want me have things in the night and I swear.
Union doing. That more know. Union doing.
Chris, me don't you stay like this. You know normally do them something here. What's
See you go call man name youth.
red. You did a smoke or something?
What
Union doing, Dolly? Union, sir.
You tell someone that know nobody name, so Chris, easy now.
Yo, me, you know, so me I go war in the night yeah, if you can't tell me Union, sir.
Really? You know how long me in a war, Chris?
You know, so right now, me just put on my clothes and come out and I respond.
You
The
can't
police will
go
hold me
away. But you
on the
can't
road.
go
You know.
away.
Me no response, you know.
You cannot go nowhere, because me not gonna allow you to leave.
You not tell me Union, sir.
I tell you already, so I don't know nobody named Dwayne.
So why that just fly into your mouth you call me, sir?
A Chris I call you, and I'm not gonna tell you again, it's Christmas say.
You call me Chris. You want to tell me, say, me a idiot.
Stop no.
Let go from me and the man, me a idiot.
I now say I idiot be, but me no know no Dwayne, me no know nobody. So my phone open, me looking there now.
Me no want to search your phone, my good man. Everything good. You go call me next man name. Me. You go look for another call next man name.
Look on the time.
Me no want to look for no time. Me a idiot. Next man name you go call me.
How long you go there on top of your vice?
I'm show you say me not have to sleep
yeah.
ya.
Them supposed to wait.
Yeah, me I say, me I go show you say me not have to sleep ya. Everything good.
Come here now.
Thing bomb buckle and good. Me make sure I pack up the things them. You know me I go down with my friend.
You can't go down and no friend. Come here by the way. Come here now, me I tell you something.
You say I left.
It's a prank. So
What's
me
that mean?
it's a prank.
Prank what?
It's a prank. So the
Yeah,
camera.
idiot.
I hide the camera over there, so look over there, so.
Prank I call me next man name.
It's a prank, Chris. Look, just look on the camera now and stop behave, sir. You ever see me do them something there yet?
So why you call me next man name?
Because it's a prank.
Prank gonna call me next man
Calling
name.
my fiance a next guy's name or next man name or
No,
whatever.
do that again, my you. No prank me and call me no man name. If you prank me, you prank me, but no call me no man name.
It's a prank. Why you can always prank me and me can't prank you?
If you prank me, but no call me no man name.
Really no.
No, me no run then joke there.
Prank a prank. You always a prank me and my time for prank you. I tell you don't ramp with me because I always come back with some wicked prank where you can't angle. Anyway guys, so wanna see image reaction. In go on bad, of course. But I didn't know say I go on so like that never happened. Like a next guy name never slip out of my mouth yet. Like I never call him a next guy name yet. So I know say him would must get ignorant. But anyway, spam up the comment section with Team Dolly. Because I see how I make image get ignorant, iggy. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit the like button. Yeah. And please go over to our next channel, the ID Family Vlog 1, and subscribe to it now, and help us to reach 1K subscribers so we can post our first content on that channel. Right now, me I forgot friend up image because you know look like say him a go talk back to me all for the night. Probably I'll do all tomorrow. Me and him no deal cause him look serious. Do me not lie, so wanna pray for me. I'm out.